Hello, my name is Mark Bishop. I'm pleased and honored to be the recipient of the 2019 Road Trip Ambassador Award. In this past September, my wife and I celebrated our 41st wedding anniversary with an 8,000 plus mile trip around the country to visit friends, relatives, and tourist sites. Some of the sites we visited, a few were Vancouver, Canada, and we visited the island there and went down the Pacific Coast Highway through Washington, Oregon, and Northern California. And on the way, we stopped at the National Drive Electric Week event in Lincoln, Oregon, and also stopped in Beaverton, Oregon to visit my new grandnephew, 4 months old. That's my wife's highlight of the trip. He's a really cool little kid. And then we went on down to Fremont and visited the Tesla factory there and had a wonderful tour guide, terrific people around there. That place is jumping, I tell you. And we got to charge at the V3 superchargers there, and that was the first time. That was really cool. And then we went to Sparks, Nevada and looked at, observed the Gigafactory too. They wouldn't let us tour it, but boy, what it's a big place. Then we went down to Death Valley. I'd never been there before, and went to Caesar's Palace in Vegas, charged at the V3 charger there. That was neat. And went to Hoover Dam and down to Kingman, Arizona, and then to Grand Canyon. I'd never really been there before, and that's was one of my highlights of the trip, and what a special place that is. And then we went on to Sun Records recording studio in Memphis, Tennessee, the birthplace of rock and roll, and then on home. And our home here in Tennessee is all electric, and my shop has an 18 kilowatt array, and we run basically on sunshine. And we have 4 electric vehicles. The first one is this Vectric scooter that I converted to lithium batteries in 2000. I bought it in 2011, converted it in 2013. And that's a 2000 Honda Insight that I converted to all electric. And if anybody's looking to convert a car, these things are great. I mean, they're real efficient, really light, and the spar system behind the seats is, you could carry the batteries really well. It's a great car. It's a great runabout, day-to-day runabout car. And also the Model 3, that's one we took on our trip, and I love that thing. That's one of the best cars ever, I think. And my wife drives this 2014 Model S, and she loves it, and she's a great ambassador for EVs. So once again, thank you so much for the Trip Ambassador Award, and good day to everyone.